What if I told you that artists and teachers in Palm Beach County had a secret super eco power? Welcome to Resource Depot. Open 4 days a week. That's a recycled can.
We have physical materials that we want people to be creative with, but we also want people to be creative in the way that they think about waste. Everything has value until it's decided it doesn't.
Gotcha.
Maybe you could reuse it within your house in your daily life, or maybe there's someone else that could use it. We were originally founded to support teachers with alternative materials.
For education, like,
yes.
okay.
But we've expanded for everyone. We want artists, homeschoolers, parents, just creative people. Anybody can come and use it. It's about making sure that stuff sees use.
Right, instead of a landfill.
Yes.
So you're kind of educational as well? You're
Yes.
kind of inspirational, right?
We try to be, and it's taking reuse to another level, aside from just crafts, which are great, and we do that too, but it elevates it a little bit with the artwork. And I've had a lot of artists say that Resource Depot changed the way that they work.
Look at that.
I find things that someone would throw away. If it's gonna stick, I'm drawing on it.
Yeah.
I started using more found objects in my art, and I found that it helps me better express what I'm thinking in my head. I started off with the objects I found and decided to paint the piece around it. So I did find all the candles at first, and I was inspired by the colors and the way they were shaped. It represents me and the way I was feeling at the time when I created it.
Well, thank you for sharing that.
Thank
That's
you.
awesome.
I'm a color pencil artist, and the series is called Rooted Ground. And it's not about the animal at first. It's about the tree.
Yeah.
It's keeping the history of it, so it's like a full circle. When I got the cello, I was trying to figure out what can I do to make sense.
Yeah.
So it was in pieces at first, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna bring it back to life.
Bring it back to life.
Bring it back to life.
Full circle. You got something up there. I was very impressed with that.
Yes, Wes.